The eruption occurred early this morning, sending a thick plume of smoke and ash 500 meters into the sky above the crater. The Japanese Meteorological Agency reported that the ash column drifted east and southeast, covering several surrounding towns and cities. One of the most affected areas was Myakonojo, where residents reported visible ash falling from the sky, coating buildings, streets, and vehicles. Authorities immediately raised the volcanic alert level to level 2, signaling a potential increase in activity. A 2-kilometer exclusion zone was established around the volcano, and citizens were urged to stay away from the crater and surrounding slopes. Located on Japan's southern island of Kyushu, Mount Shinmoedake is part of the Kirishima volcanic complex, a region well known for its geologic instability. Shinmoedake itself gained global attention back in 2011 when it erupted violently. Ejecting ash thousands of meters high and disrupting air traffic across the region. Today's eruption, while less intense than in 2011, still poses significant risks, especially if activity escalates in the coming days. Japan is one of the most seismically active countries on Earth, home to over 100 active volcanoes, and events like these are closely monitored by local authorities and volcanologists. Residents in the region have been advised to wear masks and avoid prolonged outdoor exposure due to volcanic ash, which can irritate the eyes, skin, and respiratory system. Cleanup crews have already begun clearing ash from major roads. But authorities warn that more ashfall could occur depending on wind direction. So far, no injuries or major damages have been reported. However, officials are urging people to stay alert and follow safety protocols, especially those living near rivers or valleys where lahars, volcanic mudflows, could occur in the event of rainfall. The Japan Meteorological Agency is keeping a close eye on seismic activity in the area. using satellite imaging and thermal sensors to detect any changes beneath the surface. Experts believe this could be the beginning of a new eruptive phase, though it's too early to predict whether future explosions will be stronger or more sustained. The last time Shinmoedake went through a long eruptive cycle, it continued sporadically for several months. Geologists now fear a similar pattern could be unfolding. This eruption serves as a reminder of how quickly nature can shift from calm to chaos. Even after years of silence, volcanoes can awaken in an instant, and with little warning. Japan's early warning systems and preparedness plans have once again proven essential in responding. Quickly and minimizing risk, Mount Shinmoedake may not be as famous as Mount Fuji or Sakurajima, but today, it demands global attention. As of now, monitoring continues around the clock, and the 2-kilometer evacuation zone remains firmly in place. Residents are advised to tune in to local broadcasts and emergency announcements as the situation evolves. Any future eruptions could lead to air traffic disruptions, landslides, or more widespread ashfall. Stay with nature's fury for ongoing coverage of this event and other major natural disasters from around the world. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a moment when Earth unleashes its fury.